Hey guys, I hope you're all doing well. So I am back with another handbag unboxing. So if you've watched any of my recent videos, you would know that lately I have been on a little bit of a handbag shopping frenzy. I've bought 4 vintage designer bags in the past week. I've just been having so much luck with eBay lately, and I am just loving showing you guys what I've purchased. So if you haven't already watched my double unboxing video of a beautiful Celine tote and a Gucci Diana tote, I'll link that up here. And then my most recent video was me repairing the Gucci Diana tote because it had all of the sticky residue on the inside, and in that video I show you guys exactly how to remove sticky residue from the inside of the bag. So I'll link that up here. But today I'm going to unbox another bag. I have not taken a peek at this. This is a total genuine first impressions. But before I unbox it, I did just want to mention the watch that I'm wearing. I wore this in my last video and I didn't really say anything about it. It's a beautiful gold watch with a black face, really nice and small with the square face, which I love. And I had a bunch of you guys messaging on Instagram asking what brand the watch was, because you probably noticed that it is new. So I was actually sent the watch. It was gifted, which I am so grateful for. I cannot believe that a beautiful brand like Lola Rose has sent me this beautiful piece. So it came in this box. Remy, hop down, sit. And I just couldn't believe it. Look at that. I'm definitely going to be using this as a jewelry box, and at the bottom it has this little drawer, and in there were the tools to kind of remove the links and everything in the watch to make it smaller. So I adjusted the size, popped it on, and I honestly have not taken it off for the last couple of days. Now I don't have to mention this, I just wanted to show you guys because I knew you would probably love it, especially if you are someone who loves minimal kind of jewelry. So I'll leave this watch link below in case any of you guys are interested. But without further ado, let's just get straight into the unboxing, because I know you guys are just as excited as I am. So we have another postal package. This is generally how they come. If you watched any of my previous unboxings, you would know that when you buy, generally when you buy from Japanese sellers on eBay, because they are vintage pieces, they don't come with their box or their dust bag. But I have purchased a bunch of generic kind of cotton dust bags from eBay, so I will clean the bag up, pop it in one of those, and it'll be good as new. So it comes in here. Oh my gosh. So guys, I have not seen this yet. Oh my gosh, I just saw the hardware. This is so exciting. So we have the bubble wrap. Oh my gosh, guys. Oh, it's the perfect size. I've said it once and I'll say it again, the condition is always better than you expect. Guys, I purchased the most beautiful Gucci bag. So this is like a shoulder bag, and let me just take a look at it, sorry. So the canvas is absolutely impeccable, like absolutely nothing wrong with it. The leather, the black leather is, I mean, it could do with a bit of a clean, and I may need to add like a black kind of leather polish to bring some of the color back, which I have, so I'll definitely do that. The strap is removable. Oh my god. Not that I really want a removable strap because I love the length of this, but it's nice to have that option, because if you ever wanted to buy like a crossbody strap, just a black one from Etsy or anything, you could clip it onto here. Look at the hardware. Hang on, I'll take this tag off. Look at the hardware. I love hardware when it's not a super yellowy kind of orangey gold. I love when it's more of that champagne gold. So yeah, I definitely need to clean up that leather inside. This is inside, guys. Hang on. So inside you just have the little Gucci tag there with the authenticity code on the back. Yes. And then it's just one big kind of opening with one side pocket. And then you've also got a button kind of closure there to close the bag. So that closes really nicely, actually. I love vintage Gucci. It's just so beautiful, and they always have such different stuff. Like I find if I'm looking at brands like Louis Vuitton, they really do just have kind of, it's all very similar, but with Gucci you really, there's just so many different styles, and styles that I've never seen before. Guys, look how beautiful that is. This is the most stunning shoulder bag, and it's going to look even better when I clean it up. Look at that canvas. Now the reason I decided to bid on this is, one, it was going for an amazing price. What did I actually end up paying for this? I think I ended up paying 150 Australian dollars. Let me see. So I ended up paying 117 US dollars, which yeah, converted to about 150, 160 Australian dollars. So an absolute bargain. And not to mention that as soon as I saw it, I just fell in love with it. I love that it's black with the monogram, because a lot of the Gucci monogram has the brown leather, so it's very rare when you come across the black. So there is the hardware there. It's definitely more of a casual style with all like kind of the square hardware, and same with the square button. It makes it look a little bit more cool girl, a bit more casual. Definitely like an everyday bag. You could probably throw a water bottle in here actually. This is the bottom. It's really not too bad considering the age of it. So I might just flip the camera around, stand up and show you guys what it looks like on me, just for size reference. So I am 168 centimeters tall. Here is the bag here, and look how cute that is. How stunning is that? Now that is how you elevate an outfit, people. It's very, very basic what I'm wearing, but throwing on a beautiful vintage bag for $150, like, are you kidding? I'll give it a little bit of a clean and it will be good as new. I am so happy to have this in my collection. Very comfortable. I could just like move around, dance, walk about, and it is just sitting on my shoulder fine. I feel like this strap sort of width is absolutely perfect for a shoulder strap. Yeah. While I have you guys here, I'm actually going to just give it a quick polish just to see if this works, because if any of you guys are out there and you have one of, oh, it has one of those things. It has like the little sponge. Oh my gosh, I remember these so well. Like I used to have to polish my shoes like every month, just give all of my formal shoes a good polish. Is that open? Yes, it's open. I might put it onto the cloth rather than just going in with this, because I feel like I can't be as precise with this. So it's just like a black polish like that, and I'm just going to put some onto a cloth. Don't want to get it near there. And it's very black, so I'm going to be careful. I'll just stand up so you guys can see. So it's there, and I'm just going to look at that. It completely recolored that. So basically you buff this in from memory, you buff it in, and then you let it dry. So I'm just going to, oh my god guys, look at that. So before, see that line of discoloration? After. Brand new. I'm just going to be very careful around the canvas. I don't need to be as careful up here, but when I get to this bottom part, I want to be very careful. Ugh, I was not expecting that to work that well. Like, that is amazing. So I'm just going to go ahead and re-polish all of it, and I'll jump back on when I'm done. So that was so much easier than I thought it was going to be. I literally gave it one wipe over with that black kind of leather conditioner stuff, and it completely restored all of the black leather. Look at that. And I think this stuff was about $4, like so cheap, and it's completely restored this bag. All of the hardware is still beautiful. It has the Gucci kind of logos sort of on the side there. So a lot of attention to detail, which I love. And I've also stuffed it with a little bit of bubble wrap, the bubble wrap that kind of came with the bag. So now you can really see the shape of it, and I absolutely love it. It's very casual but also really feminine at the same time. And that is just another stunning bag to add to my collection for such a good price. This is what I mean, guys. I've been looking on eBay and just so many good buys have been popping up. There was no way I was going to let this one slip through my fingers. Like, it's absolutely beautiful. I cannot wait to use it, and I'll make sure that I keep you guys updated over on my Instagram on how I style it. So make sure you go and follow me over there. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this little unboxing. I have another one ready to go, so make sure you subscribe to my channel, hit that notification bell, because after this video is uploaded, my next one will be another unboxing. So make sure you stick around for that, and I'll catch you guys in my next video. Bye guys.